Hello, my name is Shakita Torres, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here. Be sure to hit subscribe, like, and leave me a comment below to let me know how this video has helped you in your business. And so today's live is part 4 of my 5-figure tools that I use to help me to scale my Christian life coaching business. Okay. And so before I get into that really quickly, I want to share with you again about Anointed to Coach. It is a program that I created to help Christian life coaches to launch or to relaunch their business. The Lord showed me, months and months ago that there are so many Christian life coaches today that are anointed, that have been called to coach God's people, that are wanting to or desiring to launch, but they need support and they need help. Okay. And so I am that person to help you to launch your business. And so I will leave the link for you in the description box to read more about it. Be sure to download my free guide for tools that I use to look at all the tools that I currently use today to help me in my business. Also, check out the program details. We have a tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and a tier 4, depending on what your needs are. So some people just need help refining their business, refining their niche, building that confidence to really launch out, learning your coaching style, learning how to market, and coming up with your blueprint to help you to launch for success. And then tier 2, we're going to have experts and educators come along to help you with your finances, to help you to come up with a system for tech and for structure in your business, and also to understand branding, sales, and so much more. It's going to be amazing. Enrollment is currently open. Enrollment closes Friday at midnight, which is that Thursday at midnight. If you want to join the program, we have 3 payment plans that are available now. And so hopefully I will see you on the other side. And if you are seeking to become a certified Christian life coach, I do have 2 slots available for that as well. I will be doing that again next year. That is a group setting. And so I just had my last cohort to finish up and graduate about 2 or 3 weeks ago now. And it was amazing. Like, they learned so much. They are confident with who God's called them to. And it's just been an amazing time. And so if you want to join the next cohort in 2026, be sure to join my email list to learn more about that. Also on the page is testimonials and so much content from people who joined my programs in the past to be able to share with you their experience with me. All right, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into today's tool, which is called Loom. Loom. I love Loom. I've been using Loom now for about 5 to 6 years. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen with you. And I want you to see, how it looks on my end and really give you just a quick, 5 to 8 minute tutorial about what Loom can actually do for you in your business. So this is Loom. This is my actual personal account. As you can see here, I have 482 videos here, okay, over the past 5 to 6 years. Loom has definitely grown and added features over the past 5 years that I love, that I have been able to use. And I've truly been able to get my money's worth for this. Right now, I believe the first tier, I think it's like $10 a month. And then if you want to add other features like AI or be able to summarize certain videos, then you can go up to tier 2. I don't need tier 2. I just needed tier 1 for now. But one of the first things I want to show you is here. You can actually record a video in Loom if you desire to. It might not pop up because I'm already live with you all. And then you can also upload a video that you may have. And so you can edit in here. It's not a very robust editing tool, but I am going to use a previous video that I have in here to show you a little bit how you can edit. And then also you can create folders. And so because I have so much content, I have many things that I've been working on over the years, I had to start putting them into folders. Like for my Christian life coaching program, I'm working on some other content now for life coaches, such as worksheets and things of that nature, to help you all to make your job easier. Okay. One of the things that I absolutely love about Loom is that I'm able to record my screen if I have any issues with any program that is tech. For example, sometimes with Kartra, the system that I use to, email people, system that I use for my programs, and it does so much. Kartra is very robust. If you're interested in Kartra, I put the link for you as well in the description box for you to go and have a trial for that one as well. I'm using Kartra also for about 5 years. And so with that, sometimes I can't always fully explain in writing in detail enough to where the support team with Kartra can understand what I'm having a problem with. So I just record it really quickly and I'll send them the link. And it has saved me so much time, so much energy, and they're able to see exactly what the issue is for me to be able to get a response a lot more quickly. Okay. I use that anytime I'm able to. I'll record a video and send it to any tech support team in a heartbeat. Okay. They also have an app on your phone where you can go on your phone and you can also record there as well. And so I also use it to train anyone that I have on my team that needs to understand how to use certain software that I use. Also, I've used it to create my courses that I have in Kartra for life coaches and therapists. And the sky is the limit. It's so much you can do with it. So I want to go ahead and get into this video here. So maybe this was about a month ago. I was invited by a entrepreneur. He makes 7 figures a year, and he invited me to come and do a speech to his audience about mastering your mindset, the inner work every new entrepreneur must do in order to continue to scale their business. Click edit and trim here. And so as you can see, I had began editing this a little bit before. So as you can see here, as I'm hitting play, welcome to Mastering Your Mindset, the inner work every new entrepreneur must do. My name is Shakita Torres, and I am. So I'm gonna go up a little bit. So you click split here, and then here you click on that, and you just put delete section. If you need to go back, you can. Let me see, where's that button? Right here at the top. Undo trim, and then it saves it. So that's how you're able to edit this video. So you can kind of zoom. You can also zoom in a little bit further if you have a little tiny section that needs to be cut out from this video. Okay, and then you can do that. You can also add an overlay, which I didn't do that because I already had a introduction screen for that. And then here is the transcript. You can also edit through your transcript as well. I'm more audio. I need to hear my voice and what I'm saying whenever I am in here editing content. But one of the things you can also do on any video that you have is you can take this and you can turn it into other pieces of content. You can repurpose, you can create blogs, you can create social media posts. This is my original content. And so I love that. And I can reuse it and I'm able to repurpose it in different ways. And so actually, I have not turned this into a blog yet, but I am going to, okay, whenever I get done with this. And so, yeah, so this is how you use Loom as I continue to scale my business, whether it's for life coaching or business coaching, also for therapy practice in the future. I will continue to use Loom. Also, Loom is connected to your email if you allow it to. And whenever you are sending emails to people, it would give you the option at the very bottom. I know for Google, I use Google email. It will have a Loom symbol at the bottom. You can click on that and you can also record yourself. So I love that. It's so many ways to use Loom, so many ways. There's been times where I have had a client that needed some more support, and I know that them seeing me and hearing my voice, being recorded for them for like a minute to send some encouragement, it helps them tremendously. They love it. So again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go check out Anointed to Coach, my program. The link's also in the description. Download my free guides up there. Also comment, like, and share this video with someone that it can help. And so hopefully I will see you on the other side.